sometimes we get our phone cut off, internet cut off. We don't have no money for. We don't have no cars or any vehicle. These cars are rental because of the support of the coalition.
So they provide it to you free?
Yeah, and they giving us the money for what we need to do because they needed us to do it. We were willing to do it, but we didn't have enough money. We were able maybe to come here for a week in a situation that we wouldn't have everything that we needed.
Hey.
Madame Figaro.
Hey.
Suka! Suka! La bola è su
¿Cuántos cachorros hay?
Marco,
dice que si yo lo amarro que te brinca arriba.
No, no se puede.
No,
Dile que si quiere que la madre para nosotros tratarla.
Silvia, cuando te amarres.
And they're beautiful. Hermosos los perritos. Tienen en un par de días todavía tienen los ojitos. Lo único que las condiciones de higiene aquí no están muy apropiadas para ellos. Nosotros podríamos querer limpiar esto aquí. You might want to clean this. Andrés, ¿tú le puedes decir si tiene una escoba para que le uno limpiara?
Un ballet con propiedad.
I'm going to have them clean this.
Yeah.
Before we put in this. No. Dile que no la maltrate, que la dejen quieta, que no la maltrate.
Yeah, let's don't stress her. She looks healthy. Fox looks healthy. Let's just see
I'm gonna give
Yeah, let's don't stress her out anymore. Is this the type of thing that could happen literally in every neighborhood where you just show up and 20, 30, 40 animals are going to stream in?
Could be. The difference is the acceptance of the people. You know, it's very hard for you to get the people to accept our job, what we're going to do, since they are concerned about their own well-being. Human beings, they lacking water, food. So you know, it's great when you find people that are open to this kind of
One cat, one
campaign,
puppy, 2 dogs,
without
and 1 cat.
hesitating.